So hello guys, I hope you're doing very well. So this is going to be my second video. So here I will have to talk about listening. Although listening is considered the easiest one, a lot of people do struggle to do listening as they just take it very easy. Because of that they end up getting 6 band, sometimes 5.5.
So here I will talk about how was my journey, how did I clear listening with 8.5 band.
So I'm gonna share each and everything, and this video is especially for beginners. For beginners it is gonna be really helpful video. I'm gonna share 3 steps that you have to follow to clear this listening exam with 8.5 to 9 band.
So listen to some.
Let's get started. So let's talk about listening. So what actually I did in listening, I never ever depended on listening task only. A lot of people, what they actually do, they only depend on listening task, go on YouTube, watch 1 to 2 listening tasks, and then that's it. But it doesn't work like that. We have to improve our listening skills so that we can get at least 8.5 to 9 band score, because this is the only task which is the easiest one. We can expect at least 8.5 to 9 band without any problem. So I would advise you, what actually I did, with my listening task, I also used to watch a lot of movies, a lot of podcasts. I started watching TEDx,
And
apart from that, a lot of motivational videos in English. So these are the lot of things actually I did to improve my listening skills. So that is the same thing that I'm gonna advise you, especially for beginners. So first of all, what you have to do
is there are you're gonna face a lot of problems actually in listening.
Because a lot of beginners, what they actually do, they start watching Hollywood movies and they end up getting nothing because they don't understand American accent, British accent. So first of all, I would advise you to watch some Bollywood movies in English language.
If you type there on YouTube Bollywood movies in English language, then
Definitely you will get a lot of movies there. Or you can just also type there South movies dubbed in English. You will get a lot of movies and then start watching them, because this is for beginners. This will help you to improve your listening skills because their accent is not that much tough. I also started it from same way, and you also have to do the same. And second thing you have to do is you have to also watch some interviews. There are a lot of interviews
of Bollywood stars like Salman, Akshay Kumar.
so they speak very normal English. You would be easily able to understand them. So I would advise you to for 10 to 15 days just go through their interviews and see how they are speaking, what type of words they are using in their speaking. So you will get a lot of ideas, tons of ideas you're gonna get from there. So
I forgot to say one thing more. There are
some movies that actually I have watched before. So I will give link in the description so that you cannot face any kind of problem in searching movies anywhere. Apart from that, I would also give you suggestion to follow some channels. I followed All Ears English podcast first. All Ears English podcast. That channel is really amazing, because they actually make videos on different tasks, like how we have to give speaking tasks and what are the strategies we have to apply for that. They make videos on idiom phrases, slangs, and the phrasal verbs you have to use. So this is the best channel for IELTS aspirants according to me. So just
watch this channel and
watch videos. I think you're gonna get a lot of benefit. Second thing for listening is Lingua Marina. I hope that everybody know about Lingua Marina. So she is, I think, the best YouTuber I have ever seen in my life, and her accent is really great. I will advise you to watch her as much as possible. There are tons of videos available on YouTube, and she also has suggested a lot of things. She has given, I think,
tips and tricks
to clear the IELTS exam or how to speak in public, and so a lot of videos you're gonna get there. And if you listen to her, I think that you will definitely be able to improve your listening skills.
and so just go for these channels.
You're gonna get a lot of benefit. I will give link in the description so that you can watch those videos as soon as possible. Apart from that, last thing that I would advise you, then after I think I've watched a lot of web series, and that is also the effective idea. You know, this is also the effective one. Like I watched Friends web series was the best one I have ever watched. That really helped me a lot actually. You know, to be honest, this was the best web series, not only in the terms of listening, but in the terms of, you can say, entertainment. You will definitely not feel that.
You will not feel bored, you know, like when you will just watch these Friends web series.
So I will recommend. So second web series is Big Bang Theory. Although it is a little bit hard as they speak really fast, like when I started watching this web series, I faced a little bit problem. Then after I became used to it, so I will highly recommend you to definitely go for that web series, because if you go for this Big Bang Theory web series, I think that you will definitely would be able to improve your listening skills, because
And you will start getting whatever they are saying. Like you can understand that you have to improve your listening skills.
so that's something I would advise you. And lastly but not the least is the Shark Tank. I used to watch Shark Tank a lot. The Shark Tank of US. So it really helped me a lot, because with the help of Shark Tank, you not only improve your listening skills, your communication skills, but also you observe people, how they do presentation, and you will get tons of ideas of businesses even from Shark Tank.
You will start getting the feeling like, you know, I should become businessman. So you are going to learn a lot in the Shark Tank.
So I will highly recommend you, because you are getting a lot of skills from the Shark Tank. So that's why I will highly recommend you to go for Shark Tank. And that's all. I did my preparation for the listening time. So that's all for my video. So I hope that you like the video, and
So subscribe and hit the bell icon so that
you can get all the notification of videos that I will upload in the future.
So